To check your transaction history on your Apple ID, follow these simple steps. This guide will help you navigate through the process easily. Step 1. Open Settings. Launch the Settings app on your iPhone or iPad. This app is typically found on your home screen and has a gear icon. Step 2. Tap on your name. At the top of the Settings menu, tap on your name or Apple ID. This will take you to your account settings where you can manage your Apple ID information. Step 3. Select Media and Purchases. Scroll down and find the option labeled Media and Purchases. Tap on it to access your purchase history related to apps, music, and other media. Step 4. View Account Settings. Before changing your settings, use the src.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 5. Check Purchase History. After accessing your account, scroll down to find Purchase History. Tap on this option to view a detailed list of all your transactions, including dates and amounts. In conclusion, checking your transaction history on your Apple ID is straightforward and can be done in just a few steps. Regularly reviewing your purchases can help you manage your subscriptions and expenses effectively.